All right, the first step is to undo the clips on the stock bags. You move the clip back and then it just pulls right out. There's 3 of them on the back side of the bag. Once you've got the 3 unhooked, all you have to do is pull the bag out. Each bag shows on the bag where it goes. So this is the one for this locker. And we'll be drilling through right here to connect through this piece to connect to the back bag with this hose. All right, so the next step after we put the bag in here was we're gonna have to drill through here. So we taped it off. We just taped it off for extra support. And then we're gonna line up the holes here where we want and mark that with a pencil so we know where to drill through. And that'll line up our holes, and we'll do the same on the other side with the other bag to line them up. All right, so next step is the scary part. Drill.
That sucked.
Maybe 2 hands.
That's why you go in reverse. Okay, perfect.
All right, the next step is to take the bag for the back locker and line up the holes so we can drill through the wall again to connect it with the hoses. So you set the bag in and you can mark right where they go. Good? Yes. Sorry. Yeah, you good. Mm-hmm. Supposed to rain.
Like 2 hours.
Boom, now we are connected. We have holes straight through this piece where we'll connect the port side midship bag to the port side rear bag with these hoses. Just like that. Alright, this is the front side that we drilled. So all you got to do is slide the fittings together, and the red clip should go towards the bag to lock them on. All the way in, red clip comes all the way forward. And then that connects through to this compartment, and we do the same thing on this front bag. Snap in, clip, snap, clip. We're hooked. You want to hook? All right, and for the back of the boat, same thing. Clip them in. Red clip goes towards the bag until it locks. Same thing on all of them. Just like that.
Okay, the last step is to change the settings on the ballast. Since this is set on a timing system, we need to go down to vessel settings and to ballast fill and drain. And we're going to change the time that it takes to fill the port side. So let's go up, select, and you need to max it out. We got a lot more bags to fill, and it's going to take a lot more time. So we're gonna do this for the port, this not the center, because the center is based on a hard ballast, but we'll also do it for the starboard side.
And the max is 18 seconds?
17 seconds is max.
17 seconds.
So we're gonna go down to drain, and usually drain time is 30 seconds longer than the fill time. So I'm gonna take this all the way up to 17. Come on.
Who's got the vodka?
Some days, once again.